Hey guys, welcome to this Forex market analysis video. Actually, I found some great trading opportunities in four of the major pairs. So I thought why not to share with you. So first we will talk about the Euro USD. A look on daily time frame if we are going to see it. Euro USD has formed a solid base over here. Sorry, and the RSI is showing a bullish divergence. That means there can be an up move. So what we are going to do also, it is a story based trading. It is going to be a story based trading, and the story is what? Look, this is the one bottom up move. Then this is going to be a second bottom, and this will form a double bottom pattern. And to form this double bottom pattern, this needs to go upside. That is the logic of our trade. So what we are going to do, we are marking this important zone over here, and on lower time frame. Yep. We will wait for this breakout, that is the breakout of 1.06 level. And once this breakout is happens, we will initiate our buy trade. The stop loss should be somewhere around the swing highs, and our target should be the recent top. Yep. So this is going to be our target. So it can be a nice trade, like, and there is another trading opportunity in this pair. Obviously, that is the neckline breakout of this double bottom pattern. Surely. So please keep track of this. First, take this trade, book target over here, and then take this next trade if there is a breakout and a retest because it is on a higher time frame. Okay. So, and the similar kind of patterns are forming another pairs also. So we'll talk about GBP USD first. And as compared to Euro USD, there is a clarity in this bullish divergence over here. Look over here. This is the great opportunity the guys you are having. Also, there can be a formation of double bottom pattern over here, and to form this GBP USD pair needs to go up. So this is my logic behind this trade. And on 1 hour time frame, we will see what we can see that there is another important level over here. Just have a look at it. Yeah, yeah. This is our recent resistance. So what we are going to do, we will wait for this breakout, the breakout of 1.24, and once this is taken, we will initiate a buy trade, and we will wait for this 1.26 as in our target, and our stop loss should be around this swing high. Yep. Or you can also keep your stop loss below this trend line, which is being followed by this pair to go upside. Yep. There can be two cases for your stop loss. So keep track of it and initiate your buy trade once this level is taken out. And another trading opportunity in this same pair is obviously the breakout of this level, that is 1.260. Yep. Yeah. The breakout of 1.26 is going to be our second opportunity. And yep, please keep track of it. Next trade we are going to look in New Zealand dollar. Yeah, this pair. This is also the similar kind of pattern. We can see here a bullish divergence on daily time frame. Also, there is a possibility of formation of double bottom in such kind of pattern. And on smaller time frame, we can see that this is following a trend line to go upside, and it is facing a resistance over this zone. So once this resistance is taken, we are going to initiate a buy trade in this, and this recent top going to be our target. Yeah. And you can keep your stop loss below this trend line or around this swing highs. Yeah, I guess the below this trend line stop loss would be better for you. Yeah. So wait for, keep track of this, and also I hope you would benefit this if the double bottom pattern gives you a breakout on daily time frame. So this is going to be another trading opportunity. Also, there is the last pair we are going to talk about, and that is US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah. So on weekly time frame, what we can see is there was a downtrend, and then it is a retracement. If we try to draw the Fibonacci retracement, it will come somewhere around 0.38 level. That is also a good time level for retracement. And also we can see this was a support zone initially. Now it can act as a resistance. So there is a possibility of downfall over here. Also, in this pair also I am going to share with you the two trading opportunities. First is going to be on the lower time frame. Look, on 4 hour time frame, what we can see that it has taken a good resistance over here and it is coming down. Also, there is a bearish divergence on 4 hour time frame. So what we are going to do, that we will wait for this breakdown, that is the 1.285 level breakdown, and once this level is taken out, we will initiate our short trade, and we will keep our first target as this trend line as in our first target. And on daily time frame, if this trend line grows, then it will be another trading opportunity, as it is a rising wedge pattern. So it will also initiate a we can also initiate a good short trade after this trend line is broken down, and we can take multiple targets over here. The first target going to be this 1.22 level, 1.23 level, sorry, and the next target should be this bottom. So please keep track of this. I hope this will give the breakdown on our direction. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section if you like this forex analysis video, and thank you for watching.